The manual data entry process is not only time-consuming but also highly error-prone. With multiple entry points and complex workflows, the chances of mistakes increase, leading to delays and inefficiencies. Handling over 1,000 invoices daily can overwhelm your team, resulting in stress and burnout. IBOTIX is here to transform your operations. Our cutting-edge RPA automation solutions streamline the entire PO to SO process. Say goodbye to manual data entry errors and time-consuming tasks. With IBOTIX, enjoy faster processing times, reduced CapEx and OpEx, and enhanced data accuracy. Experience the future of
Every Monday, the IKEA client sends their PO's data to a portal. The bot logs into the portal at a specific time on Monday using login details. It then enters the date of the last order received to find undelivered PO's data. The bot selects these orders, confirms them, and downloads the data in an Excel sheet as per the client's format. Finally, the bot logs out of the portal after saving the data. In this process, the client receives a payment order by email. They take the payment order number from the email and log into the portal. After logging in, they enter the extracted payment order number, search for it, download the order, and save it to an Excel file. This downloaded Excel file is then mapped with a master sheet, which is an Excel sheet that already contains data such as PO numbers, material codes, shipped to party, sold to party, etc., related to that payment order. Once the downloaded sheet is mapped with the master sheet, the bot opens SAP and starts entering the data. The bot enters the T-code in SAP and fills in fields like order type, channel and division to create the contract number. After entering these fields in SAP, it inputs the ship to party, sold to party, and other details, as well as the order and order quantity. Once the contract number is created, the bot extracts the contract number from SAP and uses it to create the sales order number. Once the sales order number is generated, the bot extracts it and sends it to the team by email.